The role we play as a research institution, as opposed to an advocacy organization, is to help inform policymakers about the options available and the strengths and weaknesses of each option. At least in the U.S., there's usually a window within these political discussions, perhaps early on in those discussions, where the policymakers are truly interested in understanding the pros and cons of different sorts of approaches. At some point that window narrows and the politics takes over. And when the politics takes over, resources for the future necessarily has to leave the stage. But right now, with respect to U.S. domestic politics, that window is still open. There are still policymakers which tend to be members of Congress that are very interested in the different options available to the U.S. to control emissions. And the role we play is, again, helping informing them from a science basis, from a research basis, about the pros and cons.